Today, I want to talk about something that often comes next. That moment when you casually catch your reflection and it hits you that something's not quite right. You don't quite recognise the person staring back. There's something about that face that draws you in and makes you take a closer look. After my heart attack, I remember standing in front of the bathroom mirror one morning and thinking, that can't be me. What's happened to me? My eyes looked more tired than usual. My skin looked different, paler somehow. My shoulders slumped. I looked older, weaker, shaken. And even though people said, "Oh, you're looking better today," I couldn't see it. Because the person I used to be, the strong, busy, capable man, had kind of vanished. That's when I realised recovery and healing change more than your heart. They change how you see yourself. You start comparing everything to how it used to be, and I still do, even now. How you used to move, how you used to look, even how confident you used to feel. And when your body doesn't match your memory, it's easy to believe something's been lost forever. That the mirror is showing you what you've become, instead of what you're becoming. But the truth is, the mirror isn't lying. It's just showing a part of your story that's still in progress. Over time, I started noticing different things, and you will too. With focused rest and better sleep, my eyes became brighter. I could see and feel hope again. I knew I had inner scars, but I also realised that strength was building quietly underneath them. It wasn't about what I couldn't do. It was about what I was starting to do again. I realised that recovery isn't about getting back to the man you were before your heart attack. It's about respecting the man you are after it. A man who's been through something life-changing. Please don't forget that. A man who is still showing up moment after moment, day after day. That's something to be proud of. If you've looked in the mirror lately and felt that same sting, like you've lost the man you used to be, that you don't recognise him or even feel him, just pause. Because what you're seeing isn't a weak man staring back. It's proof that you're still here. You're healing. You're rebuilding with a fuller purpose. And every day you're becoming someone stronger, not despite what's happened, but because of it. If this episode resonated with you, I'd love you to share it with someone who might need a reminder that healing takes courage and that pride isn't found in perfection. You'd also be doing me a huge favour, helping the show grow and maybe helping another man that's going through the same challenges in recovery and rebuilding. Remember next time, be kind to the man in the mirror. This is Stronger After the Storm. I'm Dougie. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.